Hello dear students, I hope you're doing well. Today, we're going to learn about parts of the house. So, get ready and let's explore. This is the kitchen. Here, we prepare different types of food and drinks. Now, let's go to another part of the house. This is the living room. It is the place where I watch TV, drink coffee, or read a book sometimes. This place is the dining room. Here, I usually eat different meals of the day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This place is the bathroom. In this place, I do a lot of things. I have a shower or bath, get shaved, brush my teeth, etc. In my house, there is an attic. In this attic, I often read a book or a magazine. I also play the guitar with my friends. This is the bedroom. Here, I rest, read books, watch TV, and sleep at night. This is the garage. In this place, I keep things I occasionally use and I put my car. This part of the house is the basement. In this place, I keep old stuff that I rarely use. This is the balcony. Here, I often rest after work, enjoy the fresh air, and drink tea. Finally, this is the backyard. Here, my children have fun playing games. We also have parties in this place. Dear friends, this lesson ends here. I hope you have learned some new vocabulary about parts of the house. See you soon in another lesson. Goodbye.
If you liked the lesson, subscribe, activate the bell, click like and comment. Finally, share the video.